So, I'm up. Wife for Life is still sleeping. Z is getting ready. She's in the shower. She leaves today, but I don't know why she's getting ready. It's only 11 o'clock. Air flight is at 4, so we'll be at the airport by 2 o'clock. The kitchen is a mess. So, what I'm going to be doing this morning is, well, I need to shave, as you can see. Yeah, need to get a shave, look like somebody's husband, look like somebody's dad, and look like the handsome man that I am. So, I'm gonna knock these off. I'm gonna wash these. And these are some of the food we done yesterday. I done some Jamaican coconut drops. I didn't bother to film how I did it because it's pretty much the same way as the grater cake. The only difference is that's chopped up coconut and not grated. I'm gonna hand wash the dishes. The thing is, I don't know. We've got a washing machine here. Yeah. We've lived in this apartment for about 3 years, but we've never used a washing machine. I don't know why. I'm old school. There she is.
Morning.
So, I'm gonna be hand washing some dishes, and then hopefully Wife for Life will be up, and yeah. Okay, people, this is almost done. Now I gotta dry them and give the kitchen a little wipe up, and then let it look like a normal kitchen before I go deal with this beard. So, in a minute. Alright. Now everything is clean, put away, no dirty dishes, no dirty cups, no dirty glass, none of that. So, the kitchen is as clean as the way I want it to be. Turn this around. Yep. Kitchen is as clean as I want it to be. So, take you guys out to the living room. Like I say, Z and I are the only one that's up at the moment. It's very windy outside. Come on in the vlog. Can make it happen. You know, I know I've got a lovely face, but I'm sure these people don't just like seeing me, you know?
Was that wrong mine either?
You know, as beautiful as she is, she had what I say flowery to the vlog, as scruffy as I am at the moment. So this morning we woke up, well, the doorbell, you know. We've got the worst doorbell in the world.
I woke up like,
You know, as she described the doorbell, it's like one of those World War.
yeah, like the World War I and II alarms going off for like the bombs that the bombers are coming. Honestly,
You know?
I was like,
The thing is, we've been living with this doorbell for like 3 years, and even if I'm expecting you, even if you say to me, I'll be there in 5 minutes, every time the doorbell goes off. Once the doorbell goes off, I can't go back to sleep.
no one can, honestly.
You know? Well,
it's like waking the dead.
Wife for Life is, you know. You know, that doorbell wakes you up and you're just wide awake. I am, you know, something goes off in your brain that just says, get off the bed, you can't go back to sleep. I'm gonna take a shave.
I'm drinking my tea.
Z's drinking tea, and we're gonna be here for the next 2.5 hours before we head out to the airport. It's very windy. You know, she's got to take flight today. You know, she has pilot concerns. You know, she doesn't like flying when it's this windy. I mean, no one does. You know, it's a short haul, so these planes are not the jumbo jets. They're very small planes. So I hate turbulences. You know, so that's the situation for the moment. So let me go clean this face up. You see, with the magic of the camera, I can easily shave like this. Just like that.
Magic occurred.
Magic, because we're on cam. You know, it's raining today, not just windy. So I think we're gonna have a situation because it's still January, and I don't know what's going on with the weather-wise. I don't like the winter months because flu and getting sick and all that.
Well, apparently it's going to snow back in England, so hey.
And it's supposed to be snowing here in a couple of days. I've been getting hot, cold. You know what I mean? My allergies, my sinuses and everything been acting up. Same for Wife for Life. So, but we have to go out. We always escort her to the airport. So I just have to choose what is it that I'm going to wear, you know, to stay warm and get back home and wait for you to text and say you've landed safe. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime is I'm gonna plug this phone, I'm gonna plug this camera in, let it get some charge, even though the battery look good, it's 85%, don't need charging. All right, and then I'm gonna, you know, get ready. Hopefully Jay should be home for lunch by then. Wife for Life should be up by then, and we'll get this vlog busy. He's home.
Hello.
And he was about to make lunch. Now I got Dad involved. Dad's about to make lunch for him, you know? Why? Because he's still at my shoulder, you understand? He was gonna have dumpling for lunch. But you know, he still doesn't know how to feed himself because he was only gonna have like one dumpling and like one piece of carrot and what?
And coleslaw.
Coleslaw. In order to get as big and strong as I am, he has to eat properly, you know?
Which I do.
But anyway, let me fill them in on what just happened. What just happened is he went to the mailbox, he came back up,
Mail.
and he's got mail for me. The mail is a reminder that I must pay a bill. Now, this only happens in Switzerland, right? So check this out. I guess all of us get bill reminders. If we're late and the bill is overdue, you know, these companies are like, give me my money. You understand?
But we're not one of those people who pay on time.
So check us out. We pay on time. We always pay our bills on time.
First priority.
Yeah. So this bill was roughly due for about 200 Swiss francs, which is about $190 in America, right? It was Christmas, you know, and most of us run into a little bit of extra cash in Christmas. So instead of paying 200, I thought, you know what? Let's drop 800 on that bill, you know? So I paid about 4 times the due amount. 4 times the due amount. And today I received a payment reminder. So I was all surprised and shocked, so I decided, yo, let me go call these people and find out what's going on. After I call them to find out what's going on, they're going to tell me that the reason why they sent me a reminder is
because it wasn't paid.
Because you paid it too early. They say they send a reminder because we paid it too early. No, what the woman was explaining to me is that the bill was due on December 18th. I paid 800 on December the 15th. And she's saying because you paid 800 on December the 15th, we're going to put that to November's bill, even though I already paid November's bill.
I'll be like, give me my money back.
only in Switzerland, right? Anyway, don't want to bore you with all that, but I thought it was an interesting, fun fact to share.
Good afternoon, people. Yes, I had a little bit of a lie-in, a little bit. So now I'm awake, makeup on, looking fresh. Ready for my share of the fry-up. Fried dumpling. So yes, waiting on that, and then I'm gonna brave the torrential rain and storm in Switzerland. Because we have to go, that's the fryer, that's the fried dumpling. So we have to go to Zurich Airport. Our friend Zena is going back home to the UK. So we're going to accompany her to the airport, see her off, until next time.
Gotta look the part.
Yeah, part for what?
I'm just here telling her I'm looking good. You know, the workout been working. It's starting to show, and it's only month 1. You know, I'm not saying you're not looking good too. I'm just saying, you know, boy, looking good. Anyway, we're gonna do some laundry today. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put the laundry in the machine. When Jay gets home from school, you can take them from the machine and put them to the dryer.
Yes.
And then we're going to take Z to the airport. From the airport, we're going to go down to Zurich.
Shopping.
I don't know about all that now. We're going to go to Zurich. So, wifey just informed me that a Cranberry lead singer
Dolores.
died at age 46.
Yeah, pretty sad.
My condolences. I do listen to some, what you call them, rock bands. Yeah, I do. I know the Cranberries, you know. I'm not just all into hip hop and reggae and dancehall, you know, and R&B. I do know the Cranberries.
Indie music, rock music.
Yeah. So I've listened to the Cranberries, especially back in the day. Linger and Zombie was my favorite. I listened to Green Day. I listened to Red Hot Chili Pepper. I probably know more white people music than you do.
You most likely do.
You know. But anyway, that's what's going on. 2018 came with a taking of,
Yeah.
you know, and she 46 years old. That's around our age. You know what I mean? So it does hit you close to home.
Yeah, a lot of people, I mean, okay, celebrities, I wouldn't say people because that's so wide and vast. So a lot of celebrities, last year was George Michael, no, not last year, the year before was George Michael.
And Prince.
And Prince. Young, 50 years old.
Yeah, so it does hit close to home when
Yeah,
people...
you have to take care of yourself these days and, you know, eat right, exercise.
Try your best. I mean, let's face it. I mean, we could go in any way. It could be hit by a bus, you know. So I'm just saying, live every day as if it's your last day.
Yeah.
Make the best of it. Let all the people that you love know that you love them. And do everything that you want to do. You know, tomorrow is never promised.
Exactly.
Anyway, other than that sad, dull intro of 2018, the next drama, as you all probably know, is the H&M green hoodie monkey of the jungle thing. Well, I already addressed that on my channel, so if you want to hear what I thought about it, you can go there and check it out. But this is a family channel.
Yeah.
We will keep it buzzing. We will keep it happy. We will keep it jumping.
Political views?
No political views in this channel. You know, go to ENT Sebas for that. No real food views on this channel. Any food views?
Sebas Foods.
Yes, and any art views?
At Art Piece.
Yeah, she got all on the channel. Anyway, people, Z's there. Show ya.
Ready to go on the
to
road?
go. It's kind of dark there, so I mean, most of you might be wondering why they always standing there. You know,
This is the best light.
this is the best light in our apartment.
In these
so-
winter months, it's very dark and dull. So yeah, we stand here because this is the balcony. So that's where the more light comes in.
But in our summer vlogs, we can be all over the apartment, and the lighting is ideal.
But we're high up, so it's better, actually. We are...
Penthouse style. We are on top.
Yeah.
So we've got no one above us, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
You know? Anyway, people, we will catch you when we are in the town.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. We are out. Zena is gone.
She'll be at the airport now, I think.
Yeah.
She went on her own, so we had other things to do. Something important came up, so we're on our way there now.
We're on our way to a quick 5-minute meeting.
Yeah.
And then we should go into Zurich. Not so sure how we're going to do this vlog today, but
We'll work it out.
we are at part of Zurich called Hardbrucke.
Can you hear the wind?
Extremely windy, so not ideal for vlogging. Zurich, we gotta go. We gotta close on the block. He's gonna go. That was a windstorm, and it's not over. So it's best for us to vlog when we get into a quiet area. At the moment, Zurich is mad. Almost lost my hat. We turn this way, works for us. So, Zurich is seriously running at the moment. Our hair is looking crazy. We're gonna close out this vlog until we get somewhere. Elevators here. Oh, there they are. You can see us both places.
Windswept.
Windswept. Oh,
No, we're okay
we're
now.
going down.
We concluded our business and we're going back out in the torrential winds and rain and
So we're
whatever else
making
is
sure
there.
that we're speaking to you guys now, just in case.
Twigs flying in our face.
Lighting in here is good.
Yeah, very good, but
Yeah.
now
We have to go to the dreaded outside. Let me show you guys outside. Yeah, well, it doesn't look so crazy out there now.
no, but there's
But,
no real trees or anything, so
Okay,
buildings are not so high.
let's face it. Here we go. Oh, not as bad.
Just raining.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The noise of Zurich, Switzerland.
You can hear us.
So,
Bus stop.
there's a tram. We're going to catch a tram, but it's best we catch the bus. The bus stop is up there. So, we'll go. And we'll catch you guys in a minute. We are almost
People almost home.
almost back home.
We made it through the storm.
Yes, we did. And got myself a pair of slippers, house slippers.
And me, I'm empty-handed.
Oh no, she's empty-handed because she's about to spend her money online. so
Yes.
so her packages will be coming in the mail. Had to get myself some slippers because my last slippers gave way
Yeah.
and I almost had an accident with it.
Yes. Yesterday.
Yeah.
Luckily, I was there to cushion his foot.
Yeah, but you know, sometimes you've got a pair of shoes or a pair of pants or a shirt
Don't want to
that
let go of.
you don't want to let go. That was me and my slippers. After the bottom start lifting, I've had it over a year now.
More than a year.
More than a year. The bottom started lifting, and I tried using my stapler to staple it down, and that didn't work.
Everything.
Then I tried using some glue, didn't work. So after almost having the accident, I says, time to replace. So that's how I did. Any day, any day.
Any day.
Anyway.
Watch this big puddle of water.
Yeah, puddle.
The swimming pool.
So, we're gonna close out the vlog now because I'm hungry. Well,
Tired.
we're hungry,
Yes.
you know. We're about 5 minutes from home. We're taking a little shortcut
Yep.
and we'll be home in a second. So, until then, wait, there's a lot of things we want to say before we close out the vlog. We want to say, well, first of all, we want to get a better lighting. So let's turn around. So, we want to say,
Don't forget, win 100 francs every month.
a chance to win
A
100.
chance to win. Yes.
Don't forget, you'll have a chance to win 100 francs every month.
At the end of every month, we will call out the winner's name. But you also have to put in the comments below any video, including this one, hashtag Family Sebas Cash.
That's it.
And then you'll be within a chance. And then
you'll
will
have a
be
chance to win
to win 100
Swiss
francs.
francs.
All
And-
names, no, not all names. One name
Yes.
will be called at the end of January.
Right. So let me say that all over again because it sounded scrambled.
Yeah.
So at the end of every month, we're doing a cash giveaway, and in order to be qualified as having a chance to win, you have to put hashtag Family Sebas Cash in the comment section of any one of our videos, including this one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Peace.
Ciao for now.